Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin with essentials and the first actionable steps. Check power and physical connections now. If you use Bluetooth, unpair and repair, then test a wired cable. This isolates wireless delay. Once done, open Device Manager or Settings and inspect the keyboard driver. Update it if a newer build exists. You must also turn off Bluetooth power saving in the adapter properties, because drivers and power management are common culprits. This quickly separates hardware faults from software causes. Now you dive into the complex middle steps that resolve many delays. Adjust the OS keyboard repeat delay and repeat rate, then type to verify responsiveness. Make sure accessibility features, filter keys or sticky keys, are disabled because they introduce intentional delays. Next, check Task Manager for CPU, disk, or GPU spikes from background apps, end suspect processes, and test again. If the issue started after an update, update the OS fully or roll back the offending patch. To finish, update keyboard firmware or the wireless dongle firmware. Follow the vendor procedure carefully and back up any profiles first. Then, test the keyboard on a second computer or boot from a live USB to confirm whether the problem is the keyboard hardware or your specific system. If delays persist, perform a factory reset on the keyboard or revert to known good firmware. Troubleshooting tip. If things go wrong, collect timestamps, reproduce steps, and provide logs to support for faster diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.